Welcome back, everybody. My name is Grant. I'm a technician here at Livewire, and we are back here at the Livewire YouTube channel, and we're talking about the Alarm.com Floodlight today. So the reason that this came on the market, other floodlights, they just are controlled by motion. This can connect to your Alarm.com app. So you can see it on your phone, computer, anywhere from all over the world. It has a 4-megapixel camera that is attached to it that goes to your Alarm.com account with all your other devices. It's not just detecting motion, it'll shine the light, but you can also see the footage too. It makes your home or business more connected, smarter. It's not there just to give you a sense of security, but also a sense of how is everything working together. Let's take a look what's inside this guy. Very chic, feels very sturdy. Let's give it a go. First, get all the instructions and all the goodies. There's a lot of packaging to keep all the hardware and accessories safe. Get a little hardware box. You can use it in different parts of the world because it has little adapters. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Obviously the light and the camera. There's where it gets its power. Looks like we got everything to get started here. Alarm.com devices being pretty intuitive to put together and install. The instructions for putting this up are all on the app. It'd be really nice for clients who really want to see what's going on in their backyard, their driveway. The red and blue warning light, that is a safety feature so that if someone crosses in the path, it's going to flash red and blue, notifying not only is it a floodlight, but it's also a security camera in that you're being caught on footage. This product is a great addition to an existing system. It can integrate with the products you already have. It's also a great way to get your feet wet for better coverage around your home or business, and we can install it for you. I think it's gonna be a rock solid option for a lot of people. If you like this unboxing video, go ahead and bam, smash that like button. Get in that comment section, give us your feedback, subscribe to our channel. We'd love to hear from you.